stop cap. Everybody be safe, be real. Keep it popping. You hear me? Let's go. Act alive. You hear me? Y'all act alive. Let's go.
Bills be taking my money, but at least I got enough, but it's not enough. I gotta run that shit up. Every day a new bag, stacking it fast. I want a whole lot of stuff, Keep it a band. How the fuck you gonna say you the man if you ain't the type to stick to the plan? Trying to get.
Hey, let's go. We finna get this bitch popping, y'all. Let's go, everybody. Let's go. Pop out, rock out. Let's go. You already know, now. Catch the vibe, be safe. You hear me? Let's go. The shit free if you want to hit the thumbs up. Let's go. Hey, hey, so, hey, that's so, hey, yeah, yeah. Let's go. Hey. Pop out, rock out. Let's go. Hey, we ain't playing no game. Hey.
Late night book a session at the studio. Big money spinning, bank account looking good now. Used to be a hot boy, but I'm cool now. Bling bling, tryna earn me a new bust down. Late night book a session at the studio. Me and T Blaze cooking up, no egg for young. Air bit, buy a beat, then I sauce it up. I be nonchalant, so she think that I don't give a fuck. Used to smoke bags, but now my heart be fucking up. Eat a edible so I can tweak in another zone. Want a copper rollie, flood the time, call it Geostorm. And I really want a legal pistol, name it 21. People scared to fight, so pussy niggas try to keep a gun. Memories of that.
Respectfully, you hear me? What? We don't. Hey, you hear me? Hey, let him. Hey, let me put it in their face real quick. You hear me? Sleep, sleep. You hear me? Put it in their face real quick. Big 4-5 gang. You hear me? Put the 4-5 gang on these boys. You hear me? Respectfully. You hear me? Real respectfully. You hear me? Bars. You hear me? We ain't playing no games with them. You hear me? Respectfully. You hear me? This is a channel. You hear the title of this channel. You hear me? When it say guns and cooking. So yeah, you get it popping then. You hear me? Respectfully. Bars. Don't play with it. You hear me? Yes, big 4-5 game. You hear me? Yeah, you hear me? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes. Be safe, everybody. You hear me? Yes, sir. Yeah, everybody be safe. You hear me? This is how we doing it. You hear me? We the best. Be safe. Be your own clout. You dig? Let's go, y'all. I told y'all, man. Pop out, rock out. Only the real supporters. You hear me? Let's go. You hear? We let our light shine. You dig? Let's go, y'all. Pop out. Hey.
Focused on the money, not the bitches.
Let's
I
go.
don't want no fame. Man. Solo dolo, I ain't clicking up with no game. Money,
Yes,
I
sir.
routine smoked out. That is all I got. So I'm screaming out. I'm familiar, nigga. Fuck a gang. I need me a chain. Think I might copy from Johnny Dang.
Bars. Let's go.
Hey. I got evil ways, so I'm trying to do some better things. All I know is bang. Twinkle me, then I'ma do the same. Late night, book a session at the studio. Big money spinning, bank account looking good now.
Let's go.
Used to be a hot boy, but I'm cool now.
Let's go.
Bling bling, trying to earn me a new
Bust down.
Late night, book a
Oh,
session
let's
at the
go.
studio. Big money spinning, bank account looking good now.
We don't play no games. You hear me? Grown man shit. Big 4-5 game. Let's go. Hey. Yes, sir. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. I done told y'all. Let's go. Put it in their face. Bust down. Hey, hey, hey. Let's go. Tap in, tap in, tap in. Be safe. Big 4-5 game. Let's go. Try to tell y'all. Yeah. Yeah. Big 4-5 game. Do you hear me? Let's go. We ain't finna play. You hear me? Let's go, bars. Trying to tell you. You hear me? You know. Say sleep. Sleep. You already know. You hear me? What they say. A walking lick can be a walking setup. You hear me? Do you hear me? I'm just saying. You hear me? What look good might not be good for you. You hear me? I'm just saying. I'm just saying. You hear me? Yeah, a walking lick can be a walking setup. You hear me? Walk your ass over if you want to. You're playing with yourself.